Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
I'm looking for Ralph because I need to change his outfit. This boy cannot dress for anything. I'll be right back. I'm going to go look for him. Oh, I found him. Here he is. Oh, this box is super heavy. I found him. He tried to get away from me, but he won't. Let's unbox him so he could change his clothes. Don't forget to like this video too and subscribe to Tubi Toys. Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubi Toys. Fashion Yes was helping me find the new Wreck-It Ralph. This is by Bandai for ages 4 and up. He is one of 4 posable figures that you're going to find for the new Wreck-It Ralph, Ralph Breaks the Internet movie. Let's check out the other figures that you can get. You're going to get Vanellope with her avatar, Calhoun with a love avatar, and then we have Fix-It Felix Jr. with another avatar. Really, really cool. Fortunately, Wreck-It Ralph does not have an avatar. I wonder if that's something that we're going to learn about in the movie. They also have this really cool slaughter race vehicle that Ralph can fit inside with Vanellope. While I unbox the doll, I'm going to talk to you about what we saw at TTPM, the recent toy fair in New York City.
Eat all day. My lunch is sitting over here. Oh, you want me to vacuum for you?
Oh, please. And then you can eat. I'm so sorry.
No, it's
I'm
okay.
so excited about this. You have no idea.
So he's saying different things as you kind of bother him.
Oh my God.
We also, each of these characters come with a way to get into a Pac-Man app.
Oh, cool.
So, for instance, here we've got, so here's Ralph. So I'm still Pac-Man, but meanwhile, Ralph is breaking walls down, and Felix is building, where am I?
And Felix is building. I see.
So like Felix is about to bend down. See, he just broke down that wall for me. He's fixing it. And I'm about to, oh no. Felix puts walls back up, and I'm afraid Felix is about to build that wall for me, and oh, but no.
Wow, that's like really multitasking right there. That's like a lot.
So what you just saw there were the Power Pack figures that you can scan into the Pac-Man game. And this is the Power Pack collectible set from Target. We're going to unbox that in a later video. I just wanted to show you guys. We don't have any blind boxes yet, but we hope to find some soon. With the Power Pack, you can actually, with the Power Pack figures, you can store them in the Power Pack display sets. So they have one that looks like an old cell phone, and then there's the Oh My Disney castle, and they're really, really awesome. There's also a talking Vanellope doll.
That's awesome.
And then these clips come out, and you can put them in your hair.
Oh, cute.
Yeah. And
We have the Yes doll that we already unboxed on our channel. We have Wreck-It Ralph that wrecks it. Super cool. Now let's unbox Ralph. Looking forward to all of those future unboxings. Cannot wait, and I'm so super happy that Bandai has control over this toy line because we love Bandai. Bandai actually is responsible for many amazing figures. Like Bandai has the Big Hero 6, the series line, where they have these really cool figures like the Squish to Fit Baymax, which I love. It's so cute. He's like a squishy Baymax, and you have to push him inside of a vehicle. And also they have, of course, Power Rangers. How can I forget that? And my nephew loves Godzilla, and he loves Power Rangers, and he loves this other movie, Pacific Rim, and he has all of these massive Bandai figures. It's crazy. But let's get down to why we're here. Let's take a look at Wreck-It Ralph and see how articulated he is. Wow, his joints are pretty snappy. That's good. No cuts, no butts, no coconuts. I love that line. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points of articulation, and he is pretty posable and a solid figure that's going to stand nicely. I picked this up at Target. If you see it, grab it. It's a great figure. Looking forward to reviewing the rest of them. Don't forget to check out our review of Fashion Yes, the Poseable doll for Wreck-It Ralph 2, Ralph Breaks the Internet. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to our channel. And if you haven't already, ring that notification bell. Every time we post new video or host a giveaway, you'll be the first one to get notified. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and have an incredible day. Alright, Ralph, time to go. Let's change this outfit. I'm sick and tired of looking at your nasty clothes. Guys, help me. I don't want to change my clothes.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.